Assalamu alaikum. Let's start our second program with the FANUC control. This is the shape we will make now. If you remember, up now we have x plus, down we have x minus, to the right we have z plus and z minus here. Starting with the program number, we will in the FANUC control we start with the O and any 4 digit and then end of block. Tool number 4, T0404. This is the tool number 4 on the lathe machine. We have turning tool on number 4, and this another 4 is the offset value. Zero position of this tool we will save in the 04 in the offset value in the machine. G96 M04 S150 M04 start spindle counterclockwise, and S150 is the cutting speed. When we write G96, this is the cutting speed. If we don't write G96, if we write here G97 and we write something here, this become the RPM. Now this is the cutting speed. It means machine will calculate RPM automatically. Starting from here machine will get maximum RPM. When the tool will go up, the RPM will be slow, more slow, and here it will be same, and again slow. It means that when the tool moves down, the machine calculates RPM automatically. In the next block we have G95 F0.15. this is the feet per revolution. Then we have G00 X46Z0. Our workpiece, we make this exercise from diameter workpiece diameter 45. So in the first line we will bring the tool near to the workpiece half millimeter above with the rapid movement. So that is G00 X46Z0. the tool will be here half millimeter above from the workpiece. In the next line we will do the facing. This is the 0 and we will come 1 millimeter down, and we will write this line with the G01. So G01 X minus 1 Z0. Now tool is here. In the next line we will retract the tool with the rapid command, which should be G00 G00 X46 Z1. Z1 means we are going to this side. The tool will go Z1 and X46. The workpiece is 45, so 1 millimeter above from the workpiece. In the next two line we will define G73, which is the stock removal in turning. Means we will remove this all material with the turning command, with the G73 in turning way. So G73 we define in two blocks. In the first block we will define G73 U1. This is the depth of cut. R1 is the retract. It means the tool will take 1 millimeter cut and again up, go back 1 millimeter, again 1 millimeter. This we can keep 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 depend on the material, and this also we can do R1 or half millimeter. In next block G73 P45 Q85. P45 is the starting point of the shape and Q85 is the end point of the shape. The first point should be somewhere here, and the last point, end point, should be somewhere here. This number, let me remind you from here, when we make the program, when we write the number, when we write the first line, this come automatically. N45, N5, N10, N15, N20, this comes automatically. So in this program we did not write N5, N10 here. We just wrote N45 because when we write this in machine, this will come automatically. So when you write this thing with the pen, no need to write this all. You can just write here. You can count from here N5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, N45. We just write here N45 and we will write start point, and then so on 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. So this is the last command we will write here. So G73 P45 Q85 U0.5, this is the allowance in x-axis. W0.1, this is the allowance in the z-axis. It means that this will not be 30, this will be 30.5, and this will not be 10, this will be 9.9, and this will be 19.9. So remaining 0.1 here, and the remaining 30.5 millimeter it will be finished with the finishing command. This we will do after defining all these lines. So let's start. N45 G00 X0 Z1. Tool is here 1 millimeter away from the workpiece Z1. In next line we will bring the tool near G01 X0 Z0, and then we have G03. This G03 X20 Z minus 10 and R10, G03 X20 Z minus 10 R10. Then we have G01 X30 Z minus 20. Again we have G01, no need to write, X30 Z minus 25. This is again G01, I wrote here, so even you write or you don't write, no problem, no need to write. Also this one here, X34 Z minus 40. Then we have G02 X44 Z minus 45 R5. Then we have G01, this point, X44 Z minus 50. Now we'll take the tool up, G00 X46 Z minus 50. This is our last point of our shape. Now we will increase the RPM, so this is the cutting speed, so now we increase the cutting speed, automatically machine will increase the RPM, and we decrease the feed here. And now we give the finishing command G72 P45 to Q85. It means this is the finishing command. Now tool will go here from N45 to Q85, and the tool will remove all extra material, and it will go exactly on this shape and remove extra material. So it will be exactly 34, 30, 20, 10, 20, 00 sizes. Then home command G28 U0 W0 M30. Now the other next exercise is also similar to this exercise. This and these are all the same. Let's make this one also. First of all, we write the program name O0025 end of block, T0404 tool number 4 turning tool, and the 0 value we will save on the machine on number 4. G96 M04 S150, this is the cutting speed, and in start spindle anti-clockwise. G95 feed 0.15. This all in the beginning, exercise it will be same. So feed per revolution, G00 X46 Z0 tool will come rapidly here, half millimeter above, because our workpiece is 45, so we said here X46 means just half millimeter above. G01 X minus 1 Z0 tool will come with the feed until here X minus 1. Next line retract G00 X46 Z1, and then we'll define G73 stock removal in turning. U1 is the depth of cut 1 millimeter, retract 1 millimeter, and the next line this starting point 45, and here the last point. So when you write the program, you just keep on writing the program, and in the end you count here N5, N10, N15, N20, N25, N30, 35, 40, 41. Now here comes 45, so you write just 45 and continue. It will be 90 here, you write here 90 and 90. So G73 P45 starting point of our shape, Q90 is the last. We want to do the roughing from here to here, and U0.5 is the allowance in x-axis, W0 point allowance in the z-axis, N45 now starting point, G00 X21 Z1. Now remember, now in the old exercises we used to start from the 0. From here we started. Now in this exercise we have now no need to start from here because we have done already this facing. Now we will start from here. So the diameter has 21, so we can say G00 X21 Z1 Z1 G00 X21 Z1 here. Now next line we will say G01 X21 Z0, and again we have straight line X24 Z minus 1.9, and then again straight line X20 Z minus 10, again straight line, no need to write again G01 X20 Z minus 20. Now we have G02 X30 Z minus 25 R5, straight line G01 X34 Z minus 40, G03 X44 Z minus 45, G01 X44 Z minus 50. Now we'll take the tool to the last block, which will be with the G00 X46 Z minus 50, and then we increase the RPM by increasing the cutting speed as 200, and we will decrease the feed, so we will get the good surface finish. And then we finishing command G72, we need finishing from here to here, from P45 to Q90, and then home command G28 U0 W0 M30. I hope that you understand. And now after this, next week I will give you an assignment similar to these. So to understand it better, you have to watch this video again and again, the first exercise and first video and this video also again and again, and try to write this program on the paper. Take this drawing and try to make program yourself. Thank you.